Hello, Time Machine travelers. This is Miss Z here, the Time Machine teacher, and I have an awesome announcement today. We reached 1,000 subscribers yesterday. Woohoo! So exciting! I have to give a quick shout out to my first period class because they rounded up the last 4 or 5 subscribers we needed, and we hit 1,000. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I'm so excited. Also want to give a shout out to a student who is now a Westside student. She used to go to South Early College High School. Her name is Amaya, and she came in at the beginning of the school year and she was like, oh my goodness, I have to meet the Time Machine teacher. I'm so excited. You don't know how many kids at South Early College High School listen to your videos. We love them. We're so thankful for them. And we just want to let you know that it's making a difference. That just made my heart so happy because when I originally started this venture, I was just doing it mainly to just help my students at Westside understand the content a little bit better. So knowing that it has helped more than just my students, oh, it's awesome. And I've also heard from several of you through emails from across the United States that these videos are helping you understand the content as well. And that's just so cool. So I want to thank all of you for subscribing and for listening to my videos. I super duper appreciate it. You guys are awesome. AP World History is super difficult, and I'm just proud of you guys for sticking with it because it will be worth it when it comes to taking that exam. So just keep on going, keep chunking away. You're gonna get it. Reaching 1,000 subscribers was so exciting that one of my best friends, Jennifer, and I decided to go to the Color Factory here in Houston to celebrate. Now, if you know me at all, you know that I am a huge fan of color. Give me a white wall, I'll paint it, I'll decorate it with all things color. Doesn't really matter which one, I like them all. So I knew that Color Factory would be right up my alley. It's kind of like a pop-up art museum, super cool and funky, and I was not disappointed. As a matter of fact, it was so cool that I emailed them last night to ask about a field trip opportunity. Chances are pretty slim that we'll actually get to go on a field trip there because they're only here until the end of November. But if you get a chance to go with your family, go. You won't regret it. It is so cool. So in honor of reaching the goal of 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to show a little bit of what the Color Factory has to offer to you today. For all of my color-loving, time-traveling friends, enjoy. don't forget to stop by the Learning Commons and help me color this awesome poster that I got at the Color Factory. It's gonna be so much fun. And we definitely could use some color in the Learning Commons. Oh, I'm just thrilled. And let me tell you, I gotta give a quick shout out to my first period class. Y'all know you're my favorite. And really, does the dog have to bark? So I have to give